Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the SIM pin on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings and tap on Biometrics and Security. Scroll down and select Other Security Settings. Then tap Set up SIM card lock. Tap the toggle to the right of Lock SIM card. You now need to enter your SIM pin and tap OK. Your SIM pin has now been disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.